So I just checked into Old Key West. This is the very first DVC resort room. While it is definitely a little older, you don't see very frequently rooms with carpeting, but it's all good. I am back in my boot today, overdid it. I want to thank them so much. I originally was put into a room much farther away after I had put in a request for a closer room. And they moved me, and then they brought me over here in a golf cart with my luggage, which was so sweet. So they saved me some steps. Cute little seashell. And then look at this, there's your own little private balcony. This is over at Miller's Road. It is a not a one bedroom, this is a studio. It could be a 2-bedroom. There's your adjoining room right there. Cute little seats. There's tons of space in here, like tons. It's a really tiny TV compared to any other room we have been in, but I do like that it's not on a shared wall. Sometimes I like to fall asleep with the TV on, and I feel guilty when I do in a resort room because usually your TV is sharing a wall with your neighbors. So I keep the volume really low and tend to shut it off early. This is a DVC resort, so you have a full pot of coffee with Joffrey's, a toaster, some utensils, cups, hot cups for coffee too, a microwave, which you just don't see in regular resorts anymore, and a real mini fridge, not one of the coolers. So, see, it looks like there's no freezer part though. So that could be a problem if you need to freeze an ice pack or something. More things that you might need: paper towels, some dish soap, something to wash dishes with. I don't plan on cooking here, but if you needed. And here's a really big closet, again with the ironing board. Does anyone iron on vacation? There's a whole vacuum here, nice wooden hangers, dustpan, broom. There's your iron, you guys. Safe, the usual. I don't see spare pillow and blankets here, which is going to be a problem for me because I love every time I'm at a Disney resort, I open up the spare blanket. It's like on a zip tie, so it's been washed. And I love the fleece blanket that comes in there. I tend to always be cold, even if I don't turn my air down that low. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that. Really, really big bathroom. Full-length mirror. Huge. This is nice. It's one single sink, not a double vanity. Some cute artwork. The shower looks like it's been remodeled. The shower is really nice. You of course have a bathtub, which is great for kids, or if you want to take a bath. H2O products. Of course, I will be taking that lotion home with me. I stock up on it. Good amount of space, extra toilet paper, tissues, hairdryer, the usual. This is a preferred room location, so it is. Oh my God, did you hear that thunder? That totally scared me. I guess I'm not going swimming right now. I came back here to cool off for the afternoon, and then I'm gonna go back out to extended evening hours. It is pouring now though, so maybe I will take a cold bath. I don't know. Some nice curtains that come down like Roman shade style. This is really cute. I should have prepared ahead of time, grabbed a beverage to enjoy out here with the storm. That would have been smart. But I like the little hidden Mickeys on the railing. Yeah, there's lightning going on out there. All right. I think this completes the tour. I hope you enjoyed the sound effects with this one. All right, see you later.